princess. Why do you look so off today? You don't seem very happy. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
But I miss your songs, you know.
My song.
Yes, but
Which one?
why the one you like singing? Do you know it?
Song.
But I don't know why today there's not to hunt. Eh? Why? Why don't you know? You know we are here to hunt. But my people are waiting for food. I can't just go like that, you know.
What do you do?
Huh? I even don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay. I got something here.
Good.
Wait for me. Why are you in a rush?
Am I rushing?
Yes. I can see you're rushing. Come on. Rushing, huh?
No.
So time. Just take your time, okay?
Right.
Take it easy.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Come on, wait for me now. Come on. Wait for me now. Come on, wait for me. Why are you
Mom!
So now see you're about to fall down.
I can't fall.
You will.
I can't.
Let me help you climb here. Let's go. That is my beautiful princess.
Thank you.
So today has been a hard day.
Huh?
Today? No, sir, nothing to hunt. It's just me and you.
So,
You know.
yeah,
But, what else? You believe tomorrow will be a good day, isn't it?
so,
Yes. So, are we going home? I don't think so.
what's your plan?
My plan? I'll tell you. I've been planning something good for you.
Something like?
Ever since we met, you know. Who did this now? Who want to hurt my princess? Not me. Oh, it's not me. No, that can never be me, you know. Yes. Here. What way? On this
Just
side.
try.
Huh?
Just try this side.
Are you sure? Let me trust you. You know I trust you. Yes, wait for me then. Are you afraid?
No.
You good? There's nothing here. Hey, today is Today is not good, oh. The day is not good, oh.
So you want us to fast today?
Hey, what will we do?
I don't know.
This one is becoming hard. This kingdom, Bwana, we are so many hunters. So it'll be like today, me, tomorrow, someone. So my day, Bwana, is very dry. So thank God I'm with you here. Believe how it's dry, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try this side, you know. Or you wanna go home?
No,
You are good.
I want to be big.
Okay, that's awesome then. Let's try this side. I believe we'll get something here. Wait for me there, eh? And today, I got something good for you. I don't know if you like it, huh? You like it?
It's so beautiful.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let me put it for you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Where should I put it here?
Yes.
That's my beautiful princess. Wow, looking at... Hey!
Thank you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's good.
So are we going home?
Yeah.
Today without everything? Without anything?
Of course.
How nice one. It's hard.
I know.
So what will we eat today?
Sweet potatoes.
Oh, you got some at home?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then, you know. But we believe God will give us something tomorrow, you know.
Yes,
Even though it's hard, but God's with us. Wait me here. I clear the wait for me. There I clear the way for you, cause you are my beautiful queen. Please come.
Thank you.
Yes, just trying to be nice.
Nice.
My only princess. Yes. Oh, another one. Exact one, eh? So you want me to put it for you again? Okay, I'll do it for you. What about we put it here? How about that? Very good. Okay. You are welcome, my princess. My one and only princess. I enjoy your company, by the way. I like being around you. Very sure, 100% sure. Come on, I want to tell you something. Let's go. Don't be so shy. Come on. What is it now? You know, I want to tell you something. I've been dying to tell you this.
What?
Since you came into my life, it has really changed me. The happy moment we shared, you know. I always bless the day I met you. From that day, I've always just been happy seeing you around. What a blessing, you know. You're such a blessing.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess. Come on. You know, as for now, I want something real.
Like
Something more than friendship, you know. I really want to marry you, but only if you allow me. I want to marry you and make you the queen you are. Yes, I really love you. And I want to make you my wife. I really love you. It's okay. Just take your time, okay? I'll be waiting. All right?
why me?
You're the one. No. See, I'm looking. You see, you seem to be so tired. Take that one.
Okay.
Let me find another one.
Okay. Where are you
So
going?
you will go home,
Where
huh?
are you going?
No, I'm still looking for enough firewood. This one cannot last for long. Yeah, I think just bring them here. Maybe I help you arranging them, huh? Okay?
Yeah.
I've got this one. So let me help you to arrange them. Hey, you will go home, huh? Then I'll come. I'll come later. We go for water. We go fetch some water. Then we'll cook. Mama, you're going to prepare something?
Where are you going exactly?
No, I'm just around. See, I've said this fire did not be enough. Yeah?
Hello.
Why are you asking me that question? I'm not going to Scolar. I'm not going to Scolar.
How am I supposed to carry all this?
Oh, see, you can just. you know you don't know.
Messing with
Okay, put it here now. Not that way. This side, this way, like this. So can you? Yeah, like that. Okay. So you can just go home. Yeah, you're lazy. Now these two firewood are you're very lazy.
I'll just carry few.
Okay. Give me, you can carry those ones, huh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
If you can carry that, okay, go with them.
Okay.
Let me continue looking for some others, eh? Then I'm coming. I'm on
And you
my
should
way,
be
yeah?
telling me the truth.
The what? What do you want me to tell you?
About that girlfriend of yours.
No. Scolar. Leave alone Scolar. She's a very foolish girl.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah, very
Why
stupid.
you call a girl?
Huh? She's very stupid. She's mannerless.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you actually a lot about her.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm coming, yeah?
Okay.
My way.
All I want is someone to love me. All I want is someone to stand by me. All I want is someone to love me. All I want is someone to stand by me. All I want is someone to love me. All I want is
Someone to stand by side. All I want is someone to love me. All I want is someone to stand by me. Say, all I want is someone to love me. All I want is someone to stand by me. All I want is someone to love me. Oh, is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What is it? You seem to be so worried. There is no one like here. Just come back here. Just come back here. Just come back here. Okay? Relax. What is it? Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure you're okay? Okay, if you say so. But whatever it is, just know that it will be well. All shall be well. Right?
Princess! Princess! Princess!
Scolar.
Henry! I'm sorry, it's not okay.